In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can clean your Windows, delete temporary files, and free disk space. So let's get started. So press Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window, or you can directly make a right click at the Start button and select Run. Now here, simply type temp or temp or TMP, and click on OK. Now you'll find a lot of temporary files in here created by your system. So you have to click on one file and press Ctrl A on keyboard to select all the items. Then you have to click the delete icon at the top. Now check this box to this for all current items and click on skip. Close this. Again, press Windows key and R. Type percentage TEMP percentage and hit enter or click OK. The same thing, you have to click on one folder or file and press Ctrl A on keyboard to select all the items. Then you have to click the delete icon at the top. Now check this box to this for all current items and click on skip. Then again, we have to press Windows key and R button together. This time we need to type prefetch, hit enter or click OK. You have to also delete everything from here. Then for the next method, we can also uninstall unnecessary programs installed in our Windows C drive. So for that, we have to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type appwiz.cpl. Control panel items, simply click on that. So once you open the programs and features windows, you will find all the currently installed programs on your Windows. Now what you can do is you need to uninstall the program which is unnecessary and you're not using, because that will just take much space on your Windows. So click on the app or program and then select the uninstall button right here at the top. So you have to do that for all the unnecessary programs you have on your Windows. Now once done, close this and then make a right click at the start button, and here you have to select File Explorer. Once you open the File Explorer window, click on this PC, and here you'll find your Windows C drive. Make a right click and then select Properties. Then here you have to click on the Tools tab, and here you'll find Optimize and Defragment Drive. Click on Optimize. Then click on your Windows C drive and click on this Optimize button and wait for the process to be done. Now once done, close this and click on OK, and then close this. Then press the Windows key and letter R, type clean MGR. Clean MGR, click on OK. And the disk cleanup will be open. Now click on OK for the Windows C drive. So here we just have to simply select all of these options one by one and click on clean up system files. Click on OK for the Windows C drive and wait for this process to be done. Then this window will appear. So simply check all of these options and then you have to click on OK. Click on delete files. Now once done, finally, if this is done, this will take a while. So once the disk cleanup has performed its action, finally we need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart to apply all the changes that we have made. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.